Welcome to Product Critique. If you're looking for the perfect lighthouse decoration for your home, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll be reviewing the Hosley 8-inch tall tabletop resin lighthouse blinking tower light. A stunning piece that's not only a beautiful decor item but also a functional light for any room. This lighthouse is designed with modern style in mind and made from durable resin, making it lightweight yet sturdy. Measuring just 8 inches tall, it's compact enough to fit on a shelf, mantle, or tabletop. Its multicolor design ensures it blends seamlessly with various home decor themes, including farmhouse and nautical-inspired interiors. The lighthouse features a blinking tower light, which gives it an enchanting glow, perfect for adding a cozy atmosphere to your living room, bathroom, or even a meditation space. Ideal for a range of occasions, this lighthouse is perfect for weddings, home parties, or as a thoughtful gift for teacher appreciation. Its subtle illumination also makes it a lovely addition to a spa or Reiki space, offering a calming light that enhances relaxation. The LR41 alkaline button cell battery is easy to replace, ensuring the light keeps blinking for long periods without the need for frequent battery changes. The Hosley lighthouse also makes a wonderful gift for those who appreciate decorative accents that are both stylish and functional. Whether placed in your bedroom, bathroom, or a cozy corner of your living room, this lighthouse will brighten up any space with its soft, flickering light. In terms of quality, Hosley is known for producing items with minimal waste and a focus on sustainability. Their products are crafted with quality materials that ensure a long-lasting addition to your home. This lighthouse is a perfect example of Hosley's commitment to quality, giving you a beautifully designed piece that's as eco-friendly as it is charming. So, if you're in the market for the best lighthouse decoration for your home, the Hosley 8-inch tall tabletop resin lighthouse blinking tower light is a fantastic choice. It's versatile, stylish, and a great way to bring some coastal charm and soothing light into your space. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews.